that stone. That is interesting to me because if you don't want to get into that, no?
No. Go ahead.
This is the lost tribe thing, that it may actually be the stone of Jacob, because they've done tests on it now, and it's sandstone, and it doesn't come from anywhere on the islands of Britain and Ireland. And then on a hunch, relatively recently in the last couple of decades, last 2 decades I think, a Canadian retired professor went to the shore of the Dead Sea, where Jacob was supposed to went to sleep after he had the vision and all that stuff, and he did some examining, and there's certain little quartz, little stuff contained in the stone. They were identical to this particular area as the Dead Sea. So of course that then resurrected an ancient belief that the Irish were the lost tribe of Israel.
The culture doesn't reflect anything.
You haven't seen the Atlanteans?
We did it in a history class. That's the night that everybody went home saying, "What? You mean we came from North Africa?" But I really enjoyed that, and I think we ought to do it again.
Yeah, my friend. Pardon? No, it's a video made by a man called Bob Quinn, who lives in Connemara. He's about 70. Brilliant man. He produced documentaries for RTE, the Irish National Television, for 25, 30 years. And he made this on his own dime. He just got curious, got interested, and he went down to Morocco to start with, and to Cairo. And he actually has footage. I sat with him the last time we looked at it, and he says, we both agreed you'll never ever see that again. Like what he's captured just couldn't be filmed now, for many reasons. It doesn't exist. The Connemara that he filmed back then doesn't exist anymore. The boats and so much. It's such a short time.
What specifically? Yeah. Boats?
Well, what he was connecting was he was making connections between the Galway hooker, which is not prostitutes. It's the ship, the Galway.
Galway hooker.
The Galway hooker.
That's terrible.
No, it's not.
Sounds awful.
Well, it was a general hooker. The word hooker comes from a U.S. general who decided that the troops, when they were waiting to be sent out in Washington, needed some entertainment. So he provided entertainment for them legally. So they became hookers. Girls that were employed fully.
It wasn't just one Galway hooker.
Huh? No, the hooker. No, it has to do with the way. It has to do with the rig.
That would be an overworked woman.
The name is horrible.
That's what the English did to us. We're down to one hooker. That's deprivation, man. That is bad. No, the hooker. It has to do with the hook that the spar is raised up on. But we better not. We better not go too far away. Any other questions before we wrap it up? No more questions.
I have a question, a leading question.
A leading question.
There's 3 questions. No time.
There's a poem there. So I asked him if he liked